Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your Wi-Fi icon over here. You can see there is no Wi-Fi icon and also it's not connected. So how you going to fix it into your Windows 11 or 10? I'm going to show you. So let's get started. So first we have to go for our search options. If you are in Windows 10 or 11, just search for settings and click on it. After your settings panel will be open, and then you need to come over this network and internet section, and then you need to scroll down a little bit and you have to come over these advanced network settings. Click on that and then you will come over this network adapter settings, and you can see my Wi-Fi is disabled. You can see. So if you click here, and you can see you can also rename it this adapter. So if we click enable, and after that you need to come over here and you can see our Wi-Fi is showing over here. You can see. So this is how you can fix your Wi-Fi icon into Windows 11 or 10. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.